Management Leadership Excellence Awards 2025, proudly brought to you by the Institute of Chartered Professional Managers of Sri Lanka.
To honor and recognize Sri Lanka's finest leaders and managers who have demonstrated vision, resilience, and excellence in management practices.
The biggest problem among the leader, we talk a lot, but we don't show the example. A leader must be a person opening the door of the opportunities.
Let's put our hands together, ladies and gentlemen. That is a special edition of the Chartered Manager Journal.
Not just another award, but that award signifies a kind of a demarcation, literature, practice, skills and boundary for us to look at, explore further.